can. So let me show you how this is going to work. I'm going to give you a mock one. All right, so this is how it's going to work. Let me actually put this in here real quick. Forgot. All right, so this is how it's going to work. We are going to go through the videos. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through these videos, right? And I'm going to go through each video. So here's the thing. This is how this goes. Even if you don't win, and I should have said this the first time because it seemed like some people were kind of like down. I don't know. But even if you don't win this one, even because since I'm going to be like going through the same videos, like the comments that you put on now, you can win later on. You know, like even if you don't win this one, you can still have the chance to win for next month with the same comments as you have for this one. Right? Obviously the people that won last time are not going to win this time. But yeah, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pick one of these videos, right? And I'm going to, you know, do whatever. So I'm going to go ahead and just do a random one that is not from that list, right? So, you know, it can be like, oh, but you know, I did that one. So let's see this week in the market, right? Let's see if there's any comments. Crazy, no comments. All right, so let's see this one. So we got 6 comments on here. So let's see if I was to go right here, copy, right? I'm going to use this website right here. Not that one. Oh no. Anyways, so I'm going to go over here. I'm going to paste that video. It's going to search that video and it's going to find, it says filter duplicate users. So just because you can't write 1,000 comments on one video and expect to that's going to work, because it's just going to pick out that you're one. All right, so it says amount of unique commenters, and then I'm going to click this button that says start. It's going to pick through those, right? And then I'm going to write that name down, whoever's name that is. All right, so Miss Isabella, right? Great information, thanks for all you do. Right. So that's that. Right. So I'm going to do that for this section, right? So I'm going to do it for begin here section. See where it says begin here? Session 1 through 3, win a one-on-one coaching with Phil. Watch, like, comment each video to win, right? So, like I said, even if you don't win this time, it's okay. You still have a chance to win for next time. Now, the ones where I'm not looking at whatever you're writing are these right here. I'm not looking at these. What I am going to look for are these comments. Okay. If you write just done, I'm not going to count that. Now, where are the most videos? Obviously in this section, right? This section right here. What I'm looking for are serious people. I don't want to work with people that are not serious about this game. That's like I'm giving the one-on-one, expecting people are going to be, really in need, really looking to learn this stuff. You know what I mean? That makes sense. All right, so I got my paper and pen out. We're gonna get this thing started. Before I had it like you have to be on here in order to win, but I know, people are probably busy. So I'm gonna start out with this one. So drum roll, please. You guys excited? Write some comments in here, guys. I want to know if you're excited. Please. The first time was really fun. You guys are acting whack right now. So I'm gonna take off all this. I gotta win. I gotta win. All right, so let's see. Who's gonna win this? All right, so the first video. Let's do it. Let's see. 31 unique commenters. Good stuff. I like that. So, flow with one. Okay, so let me see how many chances you have. So, Flo, are you on here? Oh, if anything, do this for me, guys, because I think this will be so fun. Um, anybody, anytime that a name is picked, go ahead and write it in Telegram. So, like, Flo, uh, with one. I don't know, something like that. Let's make it fun. Free training and a T-shirt is mine. And mind you, like whoever wins is also going to get a T-shirt too. So you're going to get the one-on-one plus a T-shirt. I forgot about that. Yeah. So you're going to get a one-on-one coaching with me, and you're going to get a T-shirt. And what is a T-shirt? Here, let me show you. This is the T-shirt. So that's the shirt. You're going to get Charles on the shirt. Limited edition. If anything, I'll probably sign it. No, I'm not excited. I'm not that important. So that's the shirt. You're gonna get this. It has this on the back, right? Um, if you want one without this, let me know. I can care less. I can make one of those, and have this. There's actually a big story behind this, right? If anything, at some point in time, I'll probably share that with you guys. All right, so let's pick out the next one, the next person. All right. All right. So this video here, where we at? Boom, 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 boom. 26. Start. Got flow. And then we got I don't know how to pronounce that. Julio, I think. Are you on here? Grande. All right. I'm gonna put it in here anytime. Yeah, thank you guys, because I don't want to be going back and forth. Thank you. Yeah, do that for me, guys. Oh man, that makes life so much easier. Thank you. Keep doing that, please. All right, so next video. Ooh, let's see. 20. We got Crystal Miller. Here's the thing, guys. Let me see how many actual videos that there are that you have a chance to win. So there are 7 in this group. There's 4 in this group. There's 6 in this group. So that's 17 plus 2, 19 plus 33. What is that? 19 plus 33. There's 52 chances. There's 52 tickets you can call. Right. So we've gone through 3. Right. The tickets that matter the most, though, are session number 3, because obviously there's 33 chances there. So the brunt of it, 63% is in here, right? And why? Because this is what matters the most, right? Especially with when it comes to my training. I promise you, like my one-on-one, you're not going to understand what the hell I'm talking about if you don't go through those videos either way. So what I'm doing, I'm literally filtering out who I want to work with and who maybe not. All right, so 24. So we got Flow with 2. Oh, already. Check that out. So are you guys still riding in here? Are you guys still riding in here, please? We got Flow with 2. All right. Let's do it quickly. All right, so next. So in here. So this is a new video right here. All right. So, there's only 6. So if anything, just keep track with what I'm doing. All right. And also, guys, like I would love your testimony. So if you guys ever like come up with something, like it's so crazy that I haven't got any testimonies from you guys. Like, what the heck? I give out all this content, I don't get no testimonies. We got Junior. You're actually new to the page, from what I see. I see that you're going on here pretty often. Good stuff, Junior. Did anybody put out Junior? Are you guys still doing this with me, please? I appreciate it. All right, Junior. Okay. So next. So see, we got 8 random. See who's next. Oh, we got Guillermo. I don't know how to pronounce that. So we got GG with 2. I'm sorry. Oh man. Yeah, thank you guys. Keep doing that. Keep doing that. All right, and the last one in this section. Wow, we already got 2 people with 2. You know what? The first time we did this, it took forever for somebody to get 2. But remember, what's going to matter the most is going to be the last section, right? And again, if you don't win this time, that's okay. You win next time. If you just have a comment on there, you have a chance to win every single time, right? So we got Gregory Thompson with 1 entry. This is so fun, right? So we're going to be doing this every first of the month, by the way. If you leave a comment now, even if you don't win this time, you can win the next one. It's okay. Yeah. So that's that section. So right now we have Flo with 2, we have GG with 2, we have Crystal Miller with 1, Junior with 1, and Gregory with 1. So we got session number 1. All right. So this is a fairly new video as well. So let's see. And again, whoever's gonna win, we only have 3 commenters on this one. Whoever's gonna win is gonna win a one-on-one with me, and it's gonna be a portion of my You Are the Indicator course, and also a free T-shirt. So we got Gregory with 2 already. Good stuff, Gregory. Watch a couple times. Great content. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. And I'm gonna pin your post. Actually, I like his comment a little better. My bad, bro. I like his comment. His comments too. All right. So next. So this is when I was actually in California. Dr. K flew me out over here. Man, like I love Dr. K, man. She's a beast. She's got a good amount of commenters on this one. All right, so we got 20 commenters on here. Let's see. So we got lay 1. Is that how you pronounce it? Lay? And my pen is out. This is acting annoying as well. Come on. We got lay with 1. There's that red shirt. Presentation shirt. Thank you. It's maroon, by the way. Lee? Okay. Cool. All right. So basics. Number 1. All right. Let's see. All right. So we have how many random? 24. Good spread, I'd say. So we got Carla Dixon. This is actually one of my friends from college. I think this is literally the only video she watched. All right, so we got Carla with 1. And then basics of news. We got 19. This one. Let's see. Are you guys putting in this still? Thank you. We got Justin Stinger. He doesn't count. He already won. My homie with the hookup. Thank God. All right. So that's that section. Session number 2 now. So right now in the lead, we have Flo with 2. We have GG with 2. Is that how you? I don't know how to pronounce that name. And then we have Gregory with 2 right now. Okay. A bunch with 1. So this one right here, this video has been on here for a while, so we're gonna have a good amount. And again, either way, when it comes to session number 2, before you even do my session, you gotta watch this video because there's a specific risk management that I follow. So let's see who won this one. We got 25 unique. Let's start this one. Emmanuel, what's going on, bro? This video is a major key. Yep. Remember, even if you don't win this time, you have the opportunity to be able to win the next time. So still leave a comment. Even if it's a couple months from now. Either way, what I'm going to be doing in the future is going to be better than what I'm going to be doing on this time. Either way, my stuff gets better and better. We got Brandon Westbrook, all the way from Colorado. I wonder if he's on here. West. All right. What did he write? Back. Oh, he asked about Fibonacci. Fibonacci. All right, next. This is before I was going to Australia, man. I like, oh my God. Just everything about Australia was beyond compared. Too bad that your country is going to be going through some financial turmoil in the next couple months. But what I would definitely suggest is buy up as much property as you can over there. Krista Miller with 2. If you don't know what I'm talking about, best believe you should find out why I just said what I just said about Australia. All right, you guys are gonna go to some country. So as a continent. So 24. Start. Believe me, I'm coming back. Gregory. Ooh, you guys 3. Oh man. And as you can see, like I have no say when it comes to this. This is literally all you and the system. I have no say. So I'm not, picking nobody. This is all this and how many times you comment. All right. So this is in California, man. Let me tell you something. You should have seen these people when they hit take profit. Like it was crazy. It was so fun in there. All right. 22 commenters. We got Frank the Tank. He already won. He actually took my course. He had a great time. One of my friends from Africa. He actually did very, very well. I'm excited for him over time. And then how to put on the actual cloud itself. I'm pretty sure Gregory is going to be one of the winners, being the fact he has 3. Because for somebody else, for 5 other people to get more than 3 right now, the chances are kind of slim. So, but I'm not going to say anything for now. So we have Miss Isabella. All right. Let's see if you guys are still posting. I'd appreciate it if you guys are. Thank you, Naive and Gregory and Alberto. Really appreciate you guys for helping me out. Okay. And now we're going to go to. So right now in the lead, we have Gregory Thompson with 3. We have Crystal Miller with 2. We have Gilo Grande, I think that's how you pronounce it, with 2, and we also have Flo with 2. Now we're about to get into the real stuff pretty soon. So this right here. Now let me tell you something. This right here is good. This one right here is good as well. 19 unique commenters. Always a student. Great. We have Kent with an actual comment. Let's read his comment together. My friend all the way from Thailand. So Phil, went with your suggestion to start a pro subscription, saving and sharpening markups. I'm getting confused on terminology, so it's a question, right? For the pro, 2 charts, 5 layouts. Oh yeah, we've actually gone through this. And if anything, if you still have questions on that, let me know, and I can be able to help you out. All right. So, pretty Fibonacci retracement tool. Maybe at some point in time, I'll actually do a video on how to be able to actually do the Fibonacci retracement tool. In my actual course, I literally go through 2 hours full, 2 hours full of the Fibonacci retracement tool, how it's used, how it's placed, what each little line means. Mind you, each line is specific color for a specific reason, and a whole bunch of other stuff as well. All right. Believe me, this tool right here, there's a reason why I pull it out over and over and over again. Good. I'm happy to hear that. So 20 specific commenters on this one. If anything, go ahead and take the time to write some comments now. Even if you don't win this one, you probably will have the opportunity to be able to win on the next one. So we got Sally. Ali. Right? Because again, if you don't win this one, you have the opportunity to win on the next one. So it's on you, whatever you'd like to do. All right. So what we've all been waiting for, 33 comments, 62% comes from here. So I'm going to start out from the beginning, where I would definitely suggest you start. Now, why do I look at the actual comments on this one? Why? Well, because literally I'm telling you how I won 150 pips. I'm literally telling you exactly what I did. All right. So we have 11 people that liked this. Right? 18 that commented. LaShawn, I'm pretty sure you're probably going to get a whole bunch. I hope you're one of them, because I know you're watching as many videos as you can. Kent, you're going through them as well. Also Naive, from what I've seen, and also Junior and Alexis. I see that you guys really going through them, and I'm pretty sure the people that commented on here are the ones that commented on all the other ones. So most likely you guys are going to win just because you commented on these, but I'm also going to be reading exactly what you guys wrote. Right? So this one right here, semi-commenter. So let's see. Most of the winners are going to come from this section right here. I'm telling you. We have Junior with 2. Mind you, he just started watching our stuff. So right now, let me just tell you how this is going. Flo with 2. We have Gilo Grande with 2. We have Crystal Miller with 2. We have Junior with 2. We have Gregory with 3. So, let me read what you wrote. How can I learn your markups? I guess that's the question. So to answer your question, Junior, if you're on here, are you on here, Junior? How can you learn my markups? By watching these chart breakdowns, and then also by going to literally this video right here, this section right here, setting up your charts. If that's not what you're asking, then how can you learn how to be able to actually, really trade? My course is going to be able to actually help you out by doing that. So, chart breakdown number 2. 53 views. So let me show you this. Let me show you how human nature is. We have 162 views on this one, and then it goes down to a third. A third went on to watch the second video. Interesting. That shows, I promise you, like whoever has been going through these is gonna win. All right, so we got 13 commenters on here. The brunt is going to come from this section right here. As you can see, 7 on the first one, 7 on this one. So whoever's on here, I promise you is going to win. Good. Thank you very much, Flo, because believe me, as you can see, Naive, I promise you, like the 5 winners are going to come from this section right here. Naive with Uno. So great way to get in on the start of the move. Retracement. Using fibs have allowed me, good, what you've learned, great, have allowed me to get in on the retracement point where I can mark up certain buy and sell circle for entry, and almost always on point. Good stuff. I'm happy that this fib has helped you out. And based upon what I'm going to be teaching you in my one-on-one, you're going to be able to learn fibs way more, believe. Man, I don't know what it is, but all right. So we have 3. So how many people watched this one? 48. 3 commenters. So before I even go back to this video, so let's see who commented. So we have Alexis. She watches a whole bunch more videos. Thank you very much for the support. We have Junior, good stuff. So it's typically like the same question. And then we have Emmanuel. So let's see who won. We have Junior. Look at that. Junior with 3. I think those are the only 2 comments that you did from there. Believe me, I'm watching. I'm watching who's really paying attention. We have Junior with 3. Good stuff. To answer your question, so you asked, how do I learn to mark up the charts? I literally just did the same thing. All right, going through more chart breakdowns and literally going through and understand, like, these are anywhere from 10 to 20 minutes long. Watch 2 or 3 a day. All right, so we have Juan. Where's the comments? Oh, it was mostly us. So we only have 2 commenters. So we have Warren, mind you, he took my course. We have Juan. And let's see. Let's see. Wins. Juan. So great CBD bro chart breakdown. You literally hit your take profit on point. It went down 61.8 PRZ, then went bullish. Your supply and demand zone was on point as well. EU wouldn't break that zone until August. A1, brother, keep it coming. So what he's saying is the fact that I literally predicted what was going to happen in the future, and it literally did it on point. When he looked at it later on. So I did this August 8th. He looked at this 1 month ago, which was September, right? So what I do is not only tell you how I won that trade, but I also tell you what's probably going to happen in the future, right? So it's probably something good to look at. Wouldn't you agree? So let's see how many people watch this one. 33. Only one person commented. I don't even have to look. I don't even have to use this random. So we have Alexis with 1. Just finished this one. Great video film. Thank you. Doesn't count because it's not what you learned or a question, but you're the only one that commented. So you win. Next. We have 21 views. So you see how like human nature is. I tell you, listen, go to start a chart, chart number 1, just keep on watching, keep on watching, keep on watching. And then just get smaller and smaller and smaller. Right? So it's either Warren or Naib. Warren already took my course. So Naib, you have 2. I don't even have to use this. All right. 7. 0 commenters. What a waste. How about everybody go to chart breakdown number 1, number 7, real quick, and write to me something that you learned. Right? Something that you learned from my chart breakdowns, period. And then I'll refresh this. I'll give you guys 60 seconds to go to chart breakdown number 7 and tell me something that you learned from a chart breakdown. It doesn't have to be this one because I doubt you watched it, obviously, right? But tell me something that you've learned, right, through my chart breakdowns, and you have 60 seconds, and I'm going to count down. 60-second clock. I'm going to have Google count down for me. You have 60 seconds. Go ahead and write all your comments that you'd like. Chart breakdown number 7. On the board. So remember when I told you guys, like, I set up an alarm to, just give the reminder to myself that that something. Well, that was just my alarm. Hopefully you guys still have that alarm to remind yourselves about something. Whether, for mine it says, you're thank God you're a great father. That's what I have. I just gotta constantly remind myself positively to myself. So if anything, you probably set an alarm like that for yourselves as well. Let's see how much time. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, done. All right. I'm going to refresh. Let's see who commented. All right. We have 3 comments. All right. 2, go here. Boom, boom, boom. 3, start. We have Naive. Something I learned through your chart breakdowns is how to properly set up my charts and just look at how price reacts. Very helpful. Thank you very much, brother. So we have Naive with 3. So you saw how, like, in the beginning, it was a whole bunch of, it was a whole bunch of people. Now it's just a couple. It's a small few. I'm winning. Oh my God, this is fun. I think it's fun. Again, guys, like if you don't win this one, even if you comment now, you still have an opportunity to win on the next one, right? 8. Let's see how many people watch this. 22. How many commented? 3. Confidence is in your analysis. now people are just gonna go think each. Oh my gosh. We have Alexis. You know what? I want Alexis to win, bro. I straight up want Alexis to win. For real. I want you to win. Please. All right. I want you to win this. Are you on here? Are you watching? You just commenting. All right. 17 comments. We have Mizzy. You're the only one. So I have to pick you. Mizzy. This video explains really well the saying what happens in the past. Now I'm gonna say, what you picked before? No. All right, cool. So we have Naive with 3, we have Alexis with 2, we have Gregory with 3, we have Junior with 3, we have Crystal Miller with 2, Gilo, I don't know how to pronounce that, Gilo Grande with 2, and then Flo with 2. All right, next. Chart breakdown number 10. See how like it's going smaller and smaller and smaller. Oh, like, okay, so LaShawn. Nobody else commented. So LaShawn. So LaShawn has 1. Are you guys still writing? Probably not. Here, I'm gonna start writing now. So LaShawn. We have Mizzy. We have Alexis. 2. We have Naive. 3. We have Sally Alley. 1. Juan. O. 1. We have Greg. 3. Junior. Have Gilo Grande. Flo. All right. So chart breakdown number 10. That one. Chart breakdown number 11. Only 9 people. Check that out. Legend down under. So, this doesn't count. Kent, I'm gonna count you. Kent with 2. Something you've learned. We're talking about monthly key level. Jazz watching my videos. No one talks about monthly key level. I'm the only one that talks about that. Believe me. All right. Handling GJ with twisters for now. Tweezers. Oh my gosh. Catching pips down under. Oh my gosh. I can't count any of these. Whatever. I'm just gonna. I can't count either of those. All right. So I'm gonna have to just choose. All right. Alexis with the tweezers. Alexis with 3. All right. Potential sells on USDCHF. Only 11. Plus the audio is 7. LaShawn actually watched this video. Audio issues, so did Kent. All right. So being the fact that them two. All right. So if Alexis wins this, I'm not gonna choose you because like they actually watch this video, so I just gotta be fair. So Kent with 3. All right, next 10 views. So LaShawn with I gotta choose. I gotta choose LaShawn if it's two. She's actually watching these videos, man. She's actually watching these. You know, watch these videos, guys. She's actually going through them, man. I promise you, I bet she's gonna win when it comes to. I gotta pick Lee. The fact that he actually watched this a while back. What do you have? Lee. So two. He actually watched this one. Okay. Thanks for the chart breakdowns. Good one. Thanks. Always great. So Kent with 4. Because he actually, I'm just looking at the days. I'm saying he actually watched this a while back. But believe me, like, even if you don't win this time, Alexis, it's cool. Right? But watch these guys. Watch them. Watch them. Watch them. Being the fact that nobody watched this one, I'll just choose from this section. Right. 4 unique commenters. How there's only. All right, so let's see. Naib. Make me want to trade Bitcoin, even though I still think it's pretty crazy pair. Believe me, it is still a crazy pair. Naib with 4. Kent with 4. Alexis with 3. Gregory with 3. And Junior with 3. That's the lead right now. How many videos left? We're at 18, so we're like halfway through. Charger. Now, I know that I put out these videos a while ago on FX Pro Now. That's probably why a lot of people, are going through these. But there's a lot of people that weren't on FX Pro Now. So I definitely suggest you guys watch these. Okay. So again, being the fact that they actually watched this a while back, you already know the rules. Let's see. We have Ingrid. She already won a one-on-one, so I'm gonna pick Kent. He was the other person that wrote. Okay. So we have Kent as a winner. Next. So Kent has 5. He's in the lead right now. Ingrid. She already watched this. Did I just do this one? No, I didn't. Kent with 6. He's actually watching these. You know? If you're watching them, I think you deserve to win. Oh, you know what? This comment right here, I remember. Oh no. That was 4 days ago. That's not true. Alexis, I'm gonna remember your comments. And on the next one, what the hell? Man, it's gonna be so cool when there's these many comments on these videos. I'm just soaking it in. 2. Oh, well, it was Kent. 7. I'm pretty sure you're a winner, Kent. So I would definitely suggest on the next one, I'm only picking the people that actually watch these. You know what I mean? I think it's good. So it seems like people actually watch this. So again, I'm only looking for people that actually watch these and wrote a real comment. Okay, what you've learned, because I want to know if you actually watch this stuff. All right, let's see. Michael, where have you been? Next, Ingrid Kent. Okay, this is good. Raphael already won. Kent, you know he actually watched the video because he can relate to something that I actually said in it. Student of history, I see. The way that you win is by watching the video, liking the video, right when you start, so you know which one you left out on, and then from there, writing a question if you have one, and then also um, definitely writing what you've learned if you've learned something. If you didn't learn anything, write a question. Kent, I'm pretty sure you won. You have 9. You deserve to win if you're watching this. I'm showing you before it happened, mind you. Go look at, like, for real, go look at Bitcoin, how I tell you where it's going. And I won that trade. It was a 8,000 pip trade. It went further than I expected it would. So, up to you guys. 6, start. Gregory, 4. What's your comment? How do you trade these strong pairs like, let's try. How did, I was talking about Bitcoin. How did you even get that? How do you trade that? I don't know. I just, okay, a good amount of comments on this. Seems like that middle area kind of small. Gregory with 5. Mind you, he just started watching this stuff. Gold is still in the drown trend too. Gold is about to start picking up. That's why it's consolidating that hard, and that's why I'm not trading gold right now, because it's in the form right now just to chop people up. So I'm waiting for it to make that push, and hopefully you guys are buying into gold as well, like physical gold. You want to know where to buy your physical gold? I can give you a website. And just know, for every 1 ounce of gold that you buy 500 ounces of silver. For every 1 ounce of gold that you buy 500 ounces of silver. Alexis, one-on-one. What does that mean? I don't know what that means, but I'll write you down. 4 for Alexis. So the leaders right now, we have Kent with 9, we have Gregory with 5, we have Naib with 4, and we have Alexis with 4. Then we have Junior with 3. That's the lead right now for exactly. It's right now it went up 2%. Today it went up 2%, but It's only $14 right now. I'm telling you, buy for every 500 for every 1 ounce of gold that you buy. So gold is 1 ounce is $1,200. For every $1,200 you pay, 1,250. For every $1,200 that you pay for gold, buy 500 ounces of silver. Okay. Mind you, I do a lot of research on this stuff, so I'm not just coming out of nowhere with this. Right, and it's not for a it's not really like an investment because it's not really going to grow that much. It's just the fact that I would definitely get your hands off of fiat currency because it's not real. It hasn't been real, like true real, since like the 1930s. The 1930s is when they really. So Raphael, he already won, so I'm not going to write his name down. Since the 1930s, so we have Lee with 3. The 1930s. Let me test myself. That's when man, what's his name? FDR got into office, and he changed the value of the dollar to $35 of gold. I mean, $35 was 1 ounce of gold, and that was 40% of what it should have been. Being the fact that the United States, since the 1700s, had gold valued at $20 for 200 years, and then they took it off. Well, 150 years. We have a good amount on here. All right. Random. We have Lee with 4. Right, you are the man. I put a small lot on this, and it's paying off. So I'm guessing he was making money from this video. Good stuff. I'm happy to hear that, man. So this video, I explained how I closed 5,000 pips. How wouldn't you want to watch that? Yeah, that's crazy. Yeah, so Hoover actually left office, and then Roosevelt, FDR, came into office. So Hoover messed up everything. He's the one that actually was telling people, "Hey, get into the stock market," even though he knew that the stock market was a bad deal. But he just didn't want to look bad as a president. So then FDR got into office in 1932 after the Great Depression, and he was the one that was trying to fix everything. And that's when he literally banned people from being able to buy gold. That's a clue. So definitely get your hands on gold. It's actually physical, real God's money. I don't know. I'm just doing more research because there's going to be some stuff happening pretty soon. And fun. So we have Lee with 5 coming out of nowhere. GJ and me are not friends. Haha. That's what you on that. All right. So we have 4 more videos. So here, let me give you the I'm gonna write down the things here. So right now, I'll give you the breakdown. So we have so 4 more videos to go. We have 10 with 9. We have Lee with 5. We have Alexis with 4. Oh, missing somebody. We actually have Gregory with 5. Alexis with 4. Naib with 4. Junior. That's the leaderboard. Okay, let's go through these last four, and let's see. Video comments. All right, let's see. Let's see. Oh, yeah, I'm pretty sure Lee won. So we have D and M. Dang, brother. I see you following my stuff. Gotta get the comments up. Mastering FX before playing with gold. I like my gold bullion. Yeah, me too. So you actually buy gold, brother? All right. 132. 15 comments. Good. I'm happy to hear that. 4. Gotta drop that link to buy. Yeah. Mind you, like anybody that gets a one-on-one with me gets this type of content. Right. So thanks, Phil. Watch a few times now. This is basically a wedge that Christopher Terry talks about, right? But on the larger time frame, so he's actually watching this. You know what I mean? Which one is he talking about? This is JPY. He has 10. Check that out, man. Out of 52 videos, he's watched 20%. He was wrote a comment on 20%. Wouldn't you agree that he deserves to get a one-on-one with me? All right. So here's the thing: being the fact that there's a tie, there's two more videos left, right? So there's two more videos left, and with that being the case, let's see what the tiebreaker is. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 people here, right? So Junior has to win 2 in order to kick Alexis or Naib out. So let's see. So drum roll, please. Go ahead and refresh this real quick. Mind you, I've hardly even done any chart breakdowns this month. I've just been so busy. He goes and puts a comment in. There's mad comments on here, so I doubt you're gonna even get one. That's stable, yep. All right. 6 commenters. Let's see. We have Alexis with a spot. Yay! I'm happy about that. So Alexis, you have confirmed a win. And then the last one. Refresh this. All right. Seven commenters. Sally. Okay. That does nothing. All right, guys. So we have winners. All right, so I'm gonna write down the winners. Now here, I know on some of the videos, what happens is like I actually do it live and your comments are not gonna show up. Being the fact that the comments come in on the live. So with that being the case, so what I would suggest is after I do a live on chart breakdowns or something like that, or this Sundays this week in markets, mind you, I'm going to add Sundays this week in markets in here as well. And then also the sneak peek to the You Are the Indicator course. I'm going to add that in there as well. There's only a couple videos on both of those, that's why. And those are obviously important. So what you can be able to do is write down your question, write down what you've learned, and then comment on it later so that that can count as one. So let me go through the winners. I'm going to write it down in here. So winners of October's October's 5-1-on-1s. And whoever wins, what I want you guys to do is I'm going to create a group chat, and in that group chat, you're going to be able to we're going to be able to figure out how we're going to do this together. Okay, guys. So we have Kent with 10. So out. Shit. So out of 52 videos, mind you, okay, Kent watched 10, not watched 10. He won 10. Well, think about it. Like it's 10%. You know what I mean? Out of 52 videos, Kent with 10. We have Lee with 5. We have Alexis with 5. All right, who else we have? We have Gregory with 5. That's 4. One more. And then we have Naive with 4. Good stuff. You deserve to win on Naive as well. All right. I'm surprised LaShawn wasn't on here that often. So these are the winners, guys. All right. This is fun. Wouldn't you agree? All right. So this is where we're at. All right. So what I want you guys to do, Kent, Lee, Alexis, Gregory, and Naive. What I'm going to do is I'm going to create a chat right now, and I'm going to send you the link. So what I want you guys to do right now is go ahead and send me your, just write a message to me real quick saying, hey, listen, I won in big capital letters so I can be able to send you this, okay? October's one-on-one. I'm going to create this chat right now. October's okay. Go ahead and send me a big message that says, hey, listen, I won. We got Greg, and then I'll go ahead and send you this thing. All right. So really appreciate your time, guys. This was very exciting. Wouldn't you agree? And again, like if you really want to win this on the next one, you know, just go ahead and just watch the videos. Don't just comment some BS. Watch the videos. Watch the videos. The chart breakdowns are the most important. I'm going to add in some other playlists because these are important as well. But the chart breakdowns is the front. Sundays this week in the market is important as well. And then I'm also going to add in a sneak peek of what the training will actually look like. Okay. So greatly appreciate your time, guys, and I will see you on the next video, which will be tomorrow, which will be Wednesday, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, where I'm actually going to be doing this week in the markets, and it's going to be pretty exciting. Okay, see you guys.